Okay, this is section 9.2, and you're primarily just supposed to be using the law of sines. I've put both up here, but in section 9.2, we will not be using the law of cosines. It will just be the law of sines, and you use these versions if you're looking for angles, and these versions if you're looking for sine, and you only use 2 at a time. You don't use 3 at a time. The first one says to solve the following triangle, and they give you BC and side B. Well, when you finish, you need to know all 3 angles and all 3 sides. If you know 2 angles, it's pretty easy to find the third angle because the angles of a triangle always have to add up to 180. So what we have are 2 angles and then a side. So that's angle, 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 side is what we have. That's not a problem triangle. The problem child or the problem triangle is the one that's SSA. So we go through the arithmetic and we end up that angle A is 60 degrees. So at this point I have all 3 angles and only one side. I've got all 3 angles and just side B. I need to find side A. So if I'm going to find side A, I've got to use one that has an A in it. I didn't choose to find A first. I chose to find C first. It does not matter. So I'm looking for side C. C is to the sine of C as B is to the sine of B. Plug in the values. You don't know side C, but you know angle C is 50, and side B is 2, and angle B is 70. So from here, you can cross multiply, and then you end up dividing. So if you get C by itself, it's 2 sine 50 over the sine of 70. And the sine of 70, when you plug that in, you get 1.63. That is what C is. Now, we've still got to find side A. So let's go find it. See, I believe it must be over here. It is. We're looking for A now. So we'll do A is to sine A because the combination we were given in the original problem is the B's. As B is to sine B. Plug in accordingly. Angle A is 60, side B is 2, angle B is 70. We do the cross multiplication and division to get A by itself. Then we go to the calculator, put that information in, and we get the answer for A, 1.84. So we have all 3 angles now and all 3 sides. That means we have solved the triangle completely.